In this lab, you will be given unidentified samples of calcium chloride, citric acid, glucose and calcium hydroxide. We will use simple tests to identify each solid. We will use a conductivity tester, distilled water, a drop plate, beakers, red litmus, blue litmus, medicine droppers and a glass rod. This is the data sheet that you will use for this lab. You will find it in the lab handout. We will first make a solution of solid number 1. Approximately half fill the beaker with water. And stir to dissolve the solid. Keep stirring until all the solid has dissolved. One simple test is to identify the solution as acidic, basic or neutral. For this test we will use red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Place 5 drops of the solution into each of 2 sections on the drop plate. Place a piece of red litmus paper in one section and blue litmus paper in the other. Record your observations in the data table. This is the conductivity tester. When an electric current passes between the terminals, the circuit will be complete and the light bulb will glow. The solutions that we will be testing are aqueous solutions, so we should first test the conductivity of pure distilled water as a control. Rinse the terminals of the conductivity tester. This will remove any traces of previously tested solutions. To test the conductivity of a solution, place the terminals of the conductivity tester into the solution. Record your observations here. This completes the test on solution number 1. We will now repeat those tests for solution number 2. Again, we will first make the solution. Again, place a sample of the solution in each of 2 sections of the drop plate. As before, test the solution with litmus paper. First the red, and now the blue. Record your observations in the data table. As before, test the conductivity of the solution. Record this observation. We will now repeat the process for solid number 3. Record your observations. Record your observations. Solid number 4 did not completely dissolve in the water, so we have a cloudy suspension. record your observation. We now have enough information to identify the solid used to prepare each of these solutions.